So we're at Ethel's, and it's a barbecue joint near my home, and they have a tribute car show today. And so I'm just going to walk around and shoot some of the vehicles. Good looking El Camino over there. Just want to shoot some of the vehicles. As you can see, it's filling up. It's just literally started. It's a little bit after 9. The show is from 9 to 1 today. So just walk around and get an idea of what's here. And you can't smell it, but it's a barbecue joint, so they have wonderful smell of barbecue. So I gotta shoot that VW air-cooled motor. Lately I've taken an interest in, the last few years I've taken an interest in VWs just because the air-cooled motor. I'd like to know more about it. So the gentleman that they're honoring. Hi. And there's his car right there. And you can see just the uniqueness of the vehicles here. So I was about to say it's a Nash, but that's a Rambler. So Nash, and then Rambler, and then AMC, and then American Motors. I think that's the proper order. I'm sure somebody will tell me I was wrong. This is kind of cool. Looks like you got one of those newfangled cameras, huh?
Something like that.
Oh, yeah. Did you text him? Yeah.
A lot of Mustangs here. So I shot the Patriot before, and if you want to see a wild truck, an amazing build, I shot this last October, and the motor is pretty wild. It's worth watching the video just because it's something you would never expect. Beautiful 65 Riviera with an LS swap. So 65 had the hideaway headlights. So that was like a clamshell and flip around, revealing the headlights. The interior on these was amazing. And so that's the interior, even though it looks like it's custom, that's the way they came. And then the C10 sitting next to it, I shot that last year as well. This is an amazing build. So I shot this and last summer at a car show. So you can check that video out as well.
Oh, you got the space. Yeah.
That's an amazing build. Malibu.
Yeah. My wife wants me to sell this one.
Really?
That I want to shoot. Corvair. And I'll see if I can shoot that one right now. And then a Tesla truck. It doesn't do anything for me personally. We'll see if we can talk to the gentleman that owns a Corvair. So we just shot that Corvair. Carl's a great guy. He just, like I said, he just didn't want to be on the camera. Didn't feel comfortable with it. And that's what I've learned. Next week I'll have this channel for a year. And it's just interesting. The first guy I tried to shoot, he's like, no, I'm not going to do it. And so I asked him again. He's like, you can talk about it. I said, well, I don't want to talk about it. I want you to talk about it. Tell me the story behind the car. He wasn't having any part of it. So just people are, everybody's different. So there's a General Lee with the sticker still on the roof. Love to see that. A few years ago, they were taking those stickers off just because they were playing into the woke agenda. I don't care if you like woke or don't like woke. If you got something on your car, you should keep it.
Hey, where'd you go?
So earlier that El Camino I noticed, but now I see there's a Suburban. Then I'll hit the step side, do a quick walk around on that, but I want to see the Suburban. So this is probably a 3-door Suburban. I love this patina. Not sure that's original, but see, yep, that's a 3-door. So I think up until like 72, they just had, maybe 72 was the first year they had came out with the 4-door, but originally it was just a 3-door. I shot one of these last year as well in Kansas City. Well, this is a straight looking truck. So I shot one in Kansas City and it's on my channel if you want to check that out. It's a 3-door as well. Here's the El Camino I was mentioned earlier, so now that I'm over here, looks like maybe it's a 72 or so. I'm taking a guess. Really a unique gear selector. So in the center you'd pull up, and that's how you would pull that back to change gears, put it in gear. Factory AC. With a 396. I think it was a 67 C10 pickup truck I bought, had a 396. Man, that was a big engine. This is pretty special though. That hood. So as you can see, it's getting pretty busy. Great variety. So this is a long bed, step side. So I think I made the rounds. I'm going to go ahead and shut off for a little bit and see if I can get some individual videos. Thank you very much.